Hey guys, so this is the Timex Reissue Falcon I watch, and today in this short video I will show you the replacement strap that I got for this. To be honest, for the bracelet that it already comes with, I'm not really fan of this, as this is not very comfortable to wear. It pulls your hair and I can say it's really painful. So I decided to get a replacement strap. So this is the navy blue Perlon strap. So Perlon is basically a kind of polymer, and the width of this strap is 18 mm, which is compatible with this watch because the lug width is also 18 mm. Now let's take a closer look. Now let's look at the wrist shots. So here is the wrist shot.